Okay, yes. Today we are still doing fractions. And what we're doing is the first part of it is a very simple one. That's the one where we're doing conversion, right? So you need to either find equivalent fraction or simplest form or changing from mixed numbers to improper fractions and so on and so forth. Okay, then the second part will be on the word problems and word problems involving before and after, especially when everything changes. So everything changes means the totals at the beginning and the totals in the end, they are going to be different. So when everything changes, actually the questions can be a little difficult, but we will see what we can do about it. For those of you who have watched Teacher Burns' video, he actually uses the here to there, right? Okay, so that's how he actually does his manipulation. So we will be doing a little bit of that. Okay, let's try to go on. Okay, now, so this is our first part of it. So now, maybe we can take turns, right? Okay, who would like to start first? Okay, Rose. Okay, Rose, you can get started. Do A, and then after that, we'll see who wants to do B, all right? Okay, Gautam wants to do B. Okay, so maybe Gautam, you can get started on B. Rose is doing A, so we are seeing yeah, two people at one go. All right, Samilta has raised her hand. So you can do C. Okay, so children, you can actually see your friends doing the working actually. Rose is the one doing in blue. Gautam is doing in purple. Oh, he has cleaned it away. So yeah, let's see how. Samilta, you can do C. Okay, I can see that Gautam has actually finished already. And he's filling in the gaps. Rose, you can simplify some more. Yes, definitely can simplify some more. Okay, I can see more people coming in. Kaiser is coming in. Okay, good job, Rose. You discovered that 26 and 39 can be divided by 13. Yes. And that should give you your simplest form. Okay, and Gautam is inserting the in-between steps. So actually he was dividing by 5, right? Okay. Then you'll get 125. Yes, okay. And if you are simplifying that, okay, out of 200, you will get 58. Okay, 58 is correct for B. Yeah, A, we come back to A. 2/3 is correct as well. Okay, so that is the simplest form. What happened to Samilta? Samilta, you wanted to, yeah, okay, do C for us and let's see. Uh-huh. Oh, hi, Kaiser. Kaiser, you want to do D? Okay, great. All right. So, yes, what we see for Samilta is this 52, I think, divided by 4. And then 60 also divided by 4. So you end up with 13 out of 15. That is correct. Good job, all of you. Okay, let's look at Kaiser. Kaiser. Oh, Kaiser's one is so easy. That's the easiest, right? I wonder why they put that as D. It should appear as A, right? Okay. So all of you actually know how to change to the simplest form. Now, if this ever come out, it will only be in paper 1. All right. Okay, so that should be in paper 1 only. Let's move on. Okay, so let me just clear the annotation. Okay, so that is done. Wow. Okay, Kaiser, I can see your me, and Rose also. Okay. So, oh, Gotham also. But here we only have two. Okay, wait. So many of you. I tell you what. Yeah, you can draw that line. Okay, our dear Kaiser has drawn all the lines for us. Okay, for all those who wanted to take part, yeah. Okay, okay, each one gets one box, okay? Let me just okay. Okay, Kaiser has kindly drawn the lines. Okay, everybody, if you draw the lines, then we wouldn't know who is doing, right? Okay, be very careful. You need to give me just the number in the question mark. Okay, just the number in the question mark. Okay, everyone who's participating, let's get your A first. So we will all be on the right track. Just do A first, okay? B in a while. Let's just look at A. Okay, Kaiser says that's the answer. What about Rose? Okay, Rose is giving the answer as well. What about Gotham? Gotham, you're answering as well, right? I don't see your answer. Samilta is writing now. Gotham, we're doing A. Just do A first. All right. Okay, Rose has given final answer. Uh, Samilta and Kaiser gave the method. Yes. Okay, yeah, both of them have the same method, so it's multiplied by 8. Right. Okay, yes, and we get 24 out of 32. So the question mark is actually 24. Okay, Gotham is also correct. All right, good job. Okay, so all of you, you know, those who are very quiet, you know that your friends are doing it correctly, yeah? Okay, so let's clear this and then we can do our B, okay? I'm going to clean this, huh? Okay, now let's get started on B. Oops, how come I can't clean my own pen mark? Oh, okay, I have to find my pen mark. I have to find my eraser. Okay, can the rest of you put in your answer for B? Okay, Gautam is writing. In fact, Gautam just now gave us the answer for B. Okay, Kaiser has cleaned the number and rewritten. Okay, well done. Yes, the Samilta also is times 6 times 6, same as what Kaiser is writing. Yes. Okay, so whatever you do with the numerator, you make sure you do the same for the denominator. That's how you figure out your answers. And so we know the numerator must be 42. That's why we need to multiply by 6. And then therefore the denominator, you also multiply by 6. Okay, and that's why you get 54. All right, well done, all of you who have participated. Okay, 54 at the bottom is correct. Okay, yeah, Rose, yes, I know that's your handwriting. Yeah, you're correct. Samilta is giving us the answer now. So the bottom 9 times 6, yes, 54. Okay, all right, good job. So far, so good, huh? Let's just move on to our next question then. So let's find our next question. Okay. All right. This one has to do with finding equivalent fractions, right? That's why you see quite a few. Okay, so everybody just do C first, all right? And then let's see, let's see your answers. Okay, can the rest of you participate as well? Like who came in? We have Lucas, right? We have Pranati as well. We have Cheryl as well. And we have Wen Yu as well. So y'all can actually participate. Okay, yes, I can see Cheryl writing. Yeah. Okay. Right. Gotham, have you finished? Because you wrote 72 at the bottom, is it? Mm-hmm. Let me see. Okay. Kaiser. Okay, Kaiser has finished her working. Yeah. And Samilta has finished as well. So Gotham, if your answer is 72, you need to double check. Your friends are getting a different answer from you. So far, I am looking at three people's answers that are all the same. Samilta's, Kaiser, and Cheryl's. All of them have 48, which is actually correct, huh? Okay, 48 is correct because for the denominator, you only need to multiply by 4, not multiply by 6. All right, 16 times 4 will get you 64. Yeah, that's why your numerator must also multiply by 4. Yeah, okay. And you will actually get 48. 12 times 4 will get you 48. All right, got it, huh? Gotham? Yeah, I know you wrote the 4 and you stopped there. Okay, so let's move on to B, all right? So I'm going to clean away. Okay, now all of you do B. B should be even easier. Okay, B should be very easy. So quickly, just get us your answer. Okay, I can see 3 people on screen writing. 4 people now. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay, 2 of them have finished. 3 of them have finished. Mm. Okay, we're waiting for Samilta's answer because, yeah, that one has method. So, yeah, that will take a slightly longer time. Okay, and then let's see how. Okay, yes. And so everybody got 8 for the denominator, yeah? Okay, you are all correct. Okay, so now we're going to look at our next question. And our next question is on conversion, I think got mixed number. So let's take a look. Okay, let me find. Okay, where is my slide now? Oh, my pen ink is there. Okay, let's go on. Okay, now the first one is an improper fraction. So they ask you to find the value. That means you need to solve it. Okay. Can we have all of you try A first and let's look at your answers? Okay, Gotham has given us 8. Any other person? Okay, Lucas is 8 as well. Cheryl is doing a divide by 4 and denominator divide by 4. Yes, you have 8 as well. Good job. All right. Okay. Samilta is 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. All right. Well done, everyone. Okay. We're just wondering what happened to Kaiser. Kaiser used to be very active. Now suddenly silent. Okay. Rose is 8. Yes. Okay. Everybody is correct. Okay. What about changing improper fraction to mixed number? I think last week we had a problem, right? Some of you didn't know exactly how to change. So let's see. Yeah. What's the answer for this? Okay. Rose has written. Lucas is writing. Cheryl wrote, but then clean away. Gotham is writing as well. Okay. Okay, well done. All right. 4 of you, all of you are correct. So what you do is you actually take 15 and divide by 2. So you will end up with 7. If you are doing a long